Let's go.
Yeah, we made it.
That's not good.
Oh no. Now the trees are starting to fall. Run! Come on! My idea is a big bug can fly us up there.
A big bug can fly us up to the top of the hill?
It's wild. One, a baby. It's a beetle. Wow, it's big. Wow, it's a big beetle. Are beetles nice?
It's a slug with a shell. There's a slug inside. You see it? See that soft piece right there?
Yeah, it's a
slug.
You can't hide from us, Daddy. Ew, a worm! A worm! I taught them oranges.
Oranges?
Yeah.
What about the big fat one?
It's orangey too. They're all oranges.
Oh.
My name. Summer name. I taught my son. I taught my
Thomas?
I taught Summer. Are they nice?
Centipedes are fine.
Are they nice?
Yeah, they are.
We should have brought in a book to catch it.
Yeah.
Wow. Look how many eggs there are. For me. Oh, I found a big orangey for me.
Can Simon have that one?
No. No, there's nothing under right here. Other blacky. There's other blacky.
Mm-hmm.
You're me.
Oh, that's a cocoon.
A little cocoon?
It is.
They picked it up.
We'll put it right back. It's going to be an animal.
Right there.
Well, yes, he did. You stepped in poop, buddy. Any comment?